people, welcome back to the channel. My name is Amrita Das. In today's video, I'll share with you some of my winter dress collection. Before I get started with, let me first tell you guys, this is my first ever fashion related video. And if you liked watching it, please do not forget to like and hit the subscribe button to stay updated for more videos. In my other channel, which is in Odia, I often get most of the requests from ladies and girls that to make a dress collection video. So I thought to come up with this video. To make this happen, I decided to first come up with a winter dress collection video as the winter season is going on. So guys, without wasting the time, let's get started. Guys, first and foremost, I would like to show you this beautiful long knitted dress from Zara. It's kind of body fit slim dress, and I had bought it recently from Zara store. It costs around 2,790, but I got it on discount for 2,000 only. This is a perfect wear for winter. You don't have to wear any sweater extra, or you don't have to put coat and all if you are living in a moderate tropical country. But if you are living somewhere like it is very cold and you are experiencing snowfall and all, only this is not going to work for you. And in winters we mostly experience a normal kind of cold, so this type of dresses are perfect for people living in East India. If you are somewhere in Delhi or in North India, then you would also have to wear a coat along with this type of dress. In most of the comments, I see people asking me from where did you buy the dresses, which brand is it from online or any store like that. Let me first tell you that my whole wardrobe includes Zara, H&M, Mango, those brands only. Guys, now comes this loose fitted sweater from Zara itself. The sleeves you can see are quite loose and very flowy, and has got some beautiful gemstones attached to it. As it was in fashion, I thought to add it into my collection. As if you have this kind of loose fitted sweaters, what you can do is you can just tuck in a little bit inside your jeans and wear it like this. If you don't like wearing such culottes jeans, then normal any slim fit jeans will do with this kind of sweaters. Also, you can wear it with a belt if you want, so that you can make it a little bit fitted. After those long usual dresses, now comes a beautiful shrug kind of sweater that you can see here, and it has got some beautiful gemstones attached to it. I really love this dress, but I haven't worn it yet. As you can see, the tags are also intact. I bought it from Zara store during the last season. And if you guys want me to show you how it looks, give me a moment. Let me wear it first. Kind of fitted shrug, you can say a sweater. You can just wear it like a top and pair it with a skirt or trouser. It will look amazing. And guys, whenever you are buying clothes, I feel make sure you are buying fitted dresses only, because the detailing of the waistline is very important whenever you are trying any western dresses. As you see, I am wearing a seat dress, but I am wearing a belt as well. The belt defines your waistline. So I feel it is very important to select a dress which has already a belt attached to it, or you can pair it with a beautiful belt you already have in your wardrobe. So guys, make sure the dresses which you are buying is fitted or which suits your body type. And this is another short mini dress from Dorothy Perkins. I had bought it 1 year back, but I haven't worn it yet. And you can see the tag is still intact in this. But I really love this kind of dress. If you are slim, if your tummy is flat, you can wear such mini dresses in winter as well, along with cool stockings or socks to stay warm. And next comes this beautiful thin slim fit dress from Forever 21. If you are buying Forever 21 dresses, you might have seen those are very slim fit, and usually you have to be slim to wear those Forever 21 dresses. And same way, this one is very slim, and it's in size XS. I always love wearing such grey soft knitted dresses because those are comfortable to wear in winter, as well as it will keep you warm throughout the day. Now comes this beautiful smart looking high neck dress from Zara. This is also a knitted one, and I really love this dress because it is super soft and very comfortable to wear. Guys, I had bought this dress recently and got the delivery 2 to 3 days back only. If you want this type of dresses, you can check this online Zara store and you will find this type of beautiful knitted dresses. Next comes this beautiful long knitted dress. This is also from Zara, I would say. And in few of my old videos also you will see me wearing this. I love the beautiful sashy colors, the classy look that it brings whenever I wear it. And this was bought 2 years back by my husband, so this is quite precious as well as close to my heart, and I love wearing it. In winter wears I have very less blazers. As you can see, this is a green blazer from Aeropostale. I have got in medium size. Guys, let me show you how it looks after wearing it. You can keep the buttons on or you can keep it just like this and wear it with a sheath dress or jeans or anything you wish to wear with. Now comes this beautiful baggy kind of sweater, and after wearing it you will feel like you are a sheep. Just kidding. And it has got a zip to fasten it. And guys, this is another winter wear that was gifted by my sisters only to create the detailing of the waistline. As I said before, I'm using a belt to style this winter wear. And guys, last but not the least, here comes a beautiful hoodie from Harley Davidson. This is one which I usually wear during the winters, whenever I go for walking or jogging, etc. I prefer using this hoodie. If you want something affordable and cheaper than this, then you can also go with the Zara or Mango or H&M hoodies, or even the Max ones are very good and very affordable. You can check in the Max stores as well. So guys, this is all for today. Hope you guys liked watching this video and got to learn something from it. And if you liked watching it, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos. Bye. Have a nice day.